Hello and welcome to CalSort podcast series. My name is Umang and I will be your host for this podcast. Today we have Vijay Iyer with us, who is a veteran technologist, and the topic for today is connection between AI and storage. Vijay is associate architect at CalSoft. She is having around 14 years of experience in QA. She worked in domains like virtualization, VoIP, telematics, and has automation experience in Java Selenium and scripting in Perl and Python. Prior to CalSoft, she was working as test manager in the telematics group in KPIT. Hello, Viji. It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Hey, thank you, Mom.
So, today people talk about AI and ML in almost everything, be it software, medical science, travel, and hospitality. Data science is everywhere. Without any further delay, let's quickly start the discussion. So, Viji, what is AI, ML, and other concepts of data sciences?
Yeah, thank you, Mom. AI or artificial intelligence can be referred to as including human intelligence in machines. So that is in layman's words, whenever a machine shows an intelligent behavior, we call this as artificial intelligence. The benchmark for AI would be the human reasoning, human vision, and human speech. So when the machine is catching up with this benchmark, it is behaving in an intelligent manner or like a human. So there are many levels of AI, which are narrow AI, general AI, and active AI. What happens in narrow AI is that the machine is performing only one task, one specific task as human or better than human. General AI refers to a machine which performs any intelligent task same as any human, and active AI is where the machine beats the human in many tasks. So now, coming to machine learning is where we empower the machine to learn things or enable the machines to learn. So it is a method of algorithm which machines will use to learn to how to make decisions intelligently. So ML identifies a pattern in data. Here the data is fed as input to the algorithms, which then identifies the pattern, and then the output is weighed and logical decision is made. So you can see that ML is a subset of AI. If we even go further, there is something called deep learning. So deep learning is algorithm that behaves in a way as the network of neurons in brain. So it is like it's in a similar analogy where the neurons of brain work to achieve a task. So it is a subset of ML. In this, the learning is done using the neural network. Here, this network is capable of learning unsupervised data that is highly unstructured. So, it would take a very normal human to, or a very normal algorithm, some years to extract relevant information out of that huge unstructured data. But in deep learning, it uses the neural networks to process the data in a non-linear approach, and thus making a faster conclusion of what data could be arrived from that particular unstructured format.
Great. Would you cite how variedly AI is used?
Almost all domains like healthcare, automotive, education, agriculture has seen the dawn and rising of AI. In healthcare, it's used to diagnose the diseases, patient monitoring, and predictive analysis that help improve the business operations. Likewise, in agriculture, it is used to predict the timings of the ripening of the crop and the readiness of various stages of the crop. Soil monitoring is another area wherein it helps the crop quality and makes it sustainable. Uh, Automotive is another domain where AI is used to achieve driverless cars. But yeah, of course, this is in a very nascent stage. In education, there are many apps and software that learns the students' learning pattern and pace and gives an extra one-on-one help for the student. So it is kind of a one-on-one help or a very private help for that student, which helps the student in learning the things in a very efficient way. So the list is very elaborate.
Okay. So, how is AI and storage are connected?
Okay, so we have seen the exponential growth of AI in many areas, and we see how it's disrupting most of the technologies. We might also be aware that how the huge data and its real-time complexities in AI is driving storage solutions to amp up their craft. Because the minute we say AI or artificial intelligence, it means that we are handling loads and loads of data, and which really needs a very solid storage infra to support this kind of analysis. So day by day, the efficiency with which we are handling the data is also moving up, and also the challenges to handle the huge data which goes in to be analyzed by the AI algorithms is also increasing. But today, what we are going to discuss is how AI is returning the favor to storage. So, how AI and ML are helping the storage technologies and where all they are used.
So, how is AI helping storage solution and in what ways?
AI needs to be leveraged in every data center. So, Gartner survey has reported that data centers which don't deploy AI and ML won't be economically feasible by 2020. So, currently, it successfully experimented in maintaining the temperatures of data centers. It can also help in identifying wear and tear of the devices in a predictive fashion and thus avoid failures caused. Also, a proactive approach in identifying security threats to the data centers is also where AI plays a critical role. So, we can see in detail about each of these scenarios.
So, can we know more in depth about each of the scenarios?
At Google, the AI system is used for directly controlling the temperatures in the centers which run YouTube, Gmail, and search engines. So instead of human intervention, recommend and implement the temperatures, AI will take the snapshot of the data pooling of the data and fed it into the neural networks, which will then predict and provide series of recommendations. So the pooling data is collected from thousands of sensors that provide real-time information on the power consumption and ambient temperatures. This solution is in using deep learning technology, and this has managed to reduce up to 40 of the electricity used for cooling. So this is how efficient it is, and this algorithm, of course, is for an improvement which will further help utilize the power in that efficient. Similarly, Intel 2 has mechanism of predictive detection of cooling anomalies. This AI will have a huge say in the data center management area and lessen the human intervention and prevent errors.
Okay. How is AI leveraged in other ways in data centers?
AI based solution provides other opportunities too. So AI can optimize the infrastructure by using predictive analysis to find fault points and reduce risk factors. So this will be a major shift in the way data center operates by reducing costs and doubling the efficiency. Here, the data center manager can easily identify the risky devices and replace them even before the hardware breaks down and causes disruption of services. So we don't have to wait for that event to happen. We'll take some proactive measures when we see that it is already going to come. So data center loads can thus be predicted easily. Sometimes huge data inflow into the data centers can create glitches because of the high data traffic in the network switches, and this in turn can affect the performance. Here, AI can be leveraged to identify these situations, which is actually in the servers and switches and not in the storage disks. So it will help avoid the failure instead of then reacting to the failure.
Any other major areas where AI plays crucial or will play crucial in storage?
Yes, one other aspect is data center security. Like today, if suppose the data center comes under security attack, there is a lot of manual tasks that goes in maintaining the data center and the removal of faulty devices. Now with AI, it can learn the network traffic and identify potential threats and also identify discrepancy with the existing data. So, for example, ML can be deployed to identify malicious user activities and up the security against any potential threats. So, it anticipates the security breaches in the data center and thus prevents a major disaster.
How's the future and what is coming up?
AI and ML are both taking steps towards autonomous storage. So they will play a role not only in suggesting but also taking automatic decisions and minimal human intervention. AI predictive analysis can help distribute workload across servers. Here, the ML will learn the past load data and efficiently distribute the load amongst the servers, improving efficiency, better disk utilization, and reduce or nullify failures. There are also projects in which the IoT can identify the loose electrical wires or leakage in the cooling systems and thus alert the management team. The future will be very well having robots inside the data centers, and managed entirely by the robots. This is a preventive solution, as well as the day-to-day management is completely taken off from the human.
Also, what would be the challenges for AI in storage?
Challenges in the sense AI needs unlimited storage scale to get an efficient and accurate output. So since AI is dealing with loads and loads of data, how much ever the amount of data you give it to the AI, the more accurate the output will be. So AI is looking up to a massive and robust storage solution. Thus AI and storage solutions must go hand in hand. So this in turn drives the storage demands, because for each of the output or decision it has to train the algorithm with large data sets. So the things that would be expected from the storage in AI realm are that it should be a cloud based, because if it is cloud based, the IoT device can access the public cloud easily and send the data. Second, the storage should be scalable and massive. And third, saving the data, it should be in a way that it could be accessed fast. This is really crucial because, especially for analytics, wherein it has to get the data within fraction of seconds. So, in this sense, edge storage would be a good option, which means it would be causing lower latency, and give real time analysis. Fourth, or the last thing, is that data stored should be secure, because in most of the times the data cannot be recreated. So whatever data we have, it's like a knowledge or a base for the AI or ML algorithms to learn from it and create a pattern of it. So all these are the requirements from the storage. Since the motto of AI is to easily put and fetch data, object storage at the edge is what is considered to be the viable option as of today. So for AI, data is their biggest ally.
Great. Thanks, Viji. It was very interesting explanation about how storage and AI are connected and in what ways AI is helping storage solutions. Audience, thanks for tuning in. For any queries, please write to us at marketing@calsoftinc.com and stay tuned for our future podcast. Thank you, Viji.